Good afternoon, and let's have a quick look at what the markets are up to. So seems like today it's a red day for the markets. We've seen the Sensex and the Nifty both tumbling, trading at the red. Sensex down as much as 650 points in around 600 to 650 points in trading around below the 50,000 mark at 49,400 levels, while Nifty down around more than 150 points, you could say, trading around the 14,600 levels. Broader markets on the other hand also are trading quite weak. The overall benchmark indices as well as the broader markets are performing in tandem with the benchmark indices, whether it's the mid cap or the small cap space as well. All the indices down more than 1% in trade. Now, when we look at the sectoral indices wise, all the sectors are trading in the red except for Nifty. Pharma, which is up by 0.08% in trade. Metals, autos, banking, all these are sliding in trade and causing some pressure coming in over there as well. So weaknesses in all these sectors as well. Tata Steel slides as much as 2.6% in trade. Hindalco under pressure, down almost 3%. JSW Steel is down. SBI Bank down 2%. ICICI Bank down almost 2% in trade as well. So surely pressure building in on these big names as well. Even Vinnii, the heavyweight of Nifty, also down 1.4% in trade, and obviously we are seeing the increase in coronavirus cases across the world as well, which surely causing some pressure as well. And overall, the Asian shares market was also weak, so Indian markets are also trading lower. Now let's have a quick look at what are the individual stocks and how is the performance of individual stocks. So talking about Railway Vikas Nigam, which we'll start with, the shares price has fallen as much as 7.9% in trade after the government of India will sell up to 15% of their shareholding in RVNL, and this will be via OFS, which is starting today and will end tomorrow. The floor price for that was fixed at 27.50 rupees per share, so it was at a discount, so surely there is some pressure building on the stock price as well. Moving on to SML Isuzu. This stock is surely buzzing in trade today. It's up 7% after reports come in that Isuzu and Toyota plan to invest in one another, and Isuzu, Toyota and Hindalco to work together for a case development. So very interesting deal coming in over here, and surely the stock has shown the positive signs as well. Now Rossari Biotech stock has slipped as much as 3 to 4% in trade after the board has approved rupees 300 crore of preferential issue, pressure building in on this stock price as well. Intellect Design stock up as much as 3% today after Vanguard Funds Public has bought around 7.2 lakh shares in the company at a price of 670 rupees per share, and this was via a block deal which we saw coming in last evening. So surely some positive up move coming in for this stock. Vikas Engineering, another stock which has jumped as much as 8.6% in trade. It's not something that we check regularly or keep an eye out on regularly. It's a smaller stock, but surely after the company has emerged as the lowest bidder for two projects in Uttar Pradesh's public work department, that's a very interesting deal coming in for the company, and the projects are worth 516 crores for building two medical colleges in Bijnor as well as Kosambi in the state of Uttar Pradesh. So surely a good deal coming in for Vikas Engineering as well. Adani Greens as well as Sterling and Wilson also in focus after Adani Greens said that it has agreed to acquire two solar special purpose vehicles of Sterling and Wilson, and this is a 74.94 megawatt SPV project and has an enterprise value of 446 crore rupees. So surely interesting deal coming in over there, and these are the main stocks which have been buzzing in trade, though the market continues to trade in the red, and we'll keep an eye out on where the markets actually end.